Imagine how enterprises could accelerate their business if they minimized unplanned downtime by up to 95%. IDC's study uncovers how Tata Communications IZO Cloud Platform and services ensure high IT system availability and improved application performance. Enterprises saw up to 95% improvement in unplanned downtime and faster resolution with 85% reduction in average time when it occurred. They also experienced 78% reduction in internal users affected, and productivity losses among impacted users reduced by 71% during unplanned downtime. A health insurance company radically reduced its downtime exposure from once a month to just one event every 6 months using IZO Cloud Platform and services. A resilient and high-performing IZO Cloud Platform and services infrastructure gives you the edge to meet dynamic customer demands. Download IDC's Business Value Paper for Tata Communications today.